Welcome to Marty Academy. We provide high-quality, industry-relevant education, helping students excel through hands-on learning and real-world projects. About Nooran Ansari. Nooran Ansari has more than 15 years of IT technical experience working for various global MNCs. He has more than 15 years of experience in various major technology which managing large transformation programs for top clients across verticals such as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, telecom and others. Nuran is a certified brand name with corporate leaders in terms of project development in various horizons. He also provides technical-led and training services. He is passionate about writing and motivational speech. His motto in life, making a positive difference with empowering people with knowledge. About Marty Academy. Marty provides the opportunity to learn the skills and gain the confidence required for technical industry standards. Participants will have the opportunity to learn effective technical courses along with the real-time project implementation method. Marty's approaches to the technical skills training are extremely effective and participants will get a solid introduction to how and why this is so. By the end of this program, participants will have gained key skills, applied project-based methods in workplace scenarios, practiced coaching techniques, and explored emotional intelligence. At Marty, our program is designed not just to teach skills but to empower individuals with the knowledge, experience, and emotional intelligence required to excel in their careers and make a meaningful impact in their workplaces. SQL is categorized into 5 types of queries. Data query language, DQL used to retrieve data from databases, with the select command being the most common. Data definition language, DDL defines and manages database structures, including commands like create, drop, alter, and rename. Data manipulation language, DML manages data within databases, using commands such as insert, update, and delete. Data control language, DCL, manages database security and access, using commands like grant, revoke, and deny. Transaction control language, TCL, handles transaction management within a database, including commands such as begin, commit, and rollback. SQL Server course content. Database fundamentals, Introduction to databases, SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, Relational Database Management Systems, RDBMS, and Security Credentials. Installation and configuration, software installation, configuration, and data import-export activities from various sources, including MS Excel, Notepad, CSV files, and SQL Server. Basic database operations, connecting to SQL Server, creating, altering, and dropping databases and tables, implementing constraints, and managing identity columns. Querying data, basics of the select statement, grouping with group by, various join operations, handling null values, and using union. Stored procedures and functions, introduction to stored procedures, output parameters, advantages, and various types of functions, including string, datetime, and user-defined functions. Indexes and views, explore clustered and non-clustered indexes, create and manage views, including updatable and indexed views, and understand view limitations. Triggers and advanced concepts, implement DML triggers, insert, update, delete, utilize derived tables and common table expressions, CTEs, grasp normalization concepts to NF and 3NF, and apply pivoting in SQL Server. Error handling and transactions, learn to handle errors, manage transactions with begin, commit, and rollback, and understand ACID properties of transactions. Subqueries and performance optimization, implement subqueries, explore performance optimization strategies, handle correlated subqueries, execute complex queries with joins, and list all tables in a SQL Server database. Cursors and scripting. Work with cursors, write runnable scripts in SQL Server, and learn to replace cursors using joins. Other application connectivity. sh connectivity uses Azure.NET to connect, execute commands, retrieve data, and manage transactions with SQL databases, enabling seamless interaction between sh applications and SQL data sources. VB.NET connectivity also utilizes Azure.NET for establishing connections, executing commands, and managing transactions with SQL databases, facilitating smooth integration with SQL data sources. Excel VBA connectivity employs Azure and Azure objects to connect with SQL databases, execute commands, and manage transactions, allowing Excel VBA applications to interact effectively with SQL data. msaccess connectivity offers various methods, including linked tables, ODBC connections, and pass-through queries, for connecting to SQL Server databases, leveraging SQL Server's data storage and processing capabilities. This course provides a thorough overview of Microsoft SQL Server, starting with database fundamentals, SSMS introduction, login credentials, and software installation. It covers key operations like creating and altering databases, working with tables, and understanding constraints such as default, foreign key, and identity columns. Key topics include querying techniques, select, joins, group by, advanced SQL functions, and stored procedures. The course also explores indexing, views, triggers, error handling, transactions, and advanced topics like cursors and deadlocks. Additionally, it covers connectivity across platforms, security, schema management, replication, and certification prep with 80 question sets and real-time project scenarios. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos and information. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please visit the provided website. You are also welcome to visit the Institute for one-on-one discussions.